Autocratic and authoritarian style of governance is now a thing of the past in many countries. Admittedly, though, it still exists in certain countries. Opponents of this style of governance argue that it leads to underdevelopment and marginalization of citizens in decision-making. Now, citizens around the world are demanding greater say in public policies, and in some cases, this demand has led to unrest, which resulted in the toppling of government. At the launch of activities marking the celebration of the 2012 United Nations Public Service Day, the Chief of Staff at the Office of the President, Mr. Henry Martey-Newman, stressed the importance of citizens' participation in public service delivery.
Instituted by the UN General Assembly in 2002, the African Union Nations Public Service Day is marked on the 23rd of June each year. This is to recognize the important contributions that public service organizations make in promoting good governance for sustainable development. The Chief of Staff, Mr. Henry Martey-Newman, reaffirmed government's continuous support to public service organizations to enable them to improve on their service delivery. He also encouraged public service institutions and organizations to adopt the concept of engaging citizens in making effective policies and programs that will meet the needs of the nation.
Citizen engagement helps to deepen democracy, to strengthen social capital, to facilitate efficiency, to sustain growth, to promote pro-poor initiatives, equity, and social justice. And what we must strive to achieve is to operationalize this concept of making governance effective and relevant in the particular context.
He explained that negative work attitudes such as habitual absenteeism and other negative factors are on the ascendancy. Hence the theme for this year's AU Public Service Day, Innovation in Citizens' Engagements for Effective Governance, is appropriate. Many nations are currently faced with addressing new challenges of governance and trying to make efforts at international levels. The Chief of Staff outlined some government avenues created to engage citizens for effective governance.
In the area of the provision of potable water, the Community Water and Sanitation Agency of the Ministry of Water Resources, Works and Housing has mobilized and trained citizens within beneficiary communities to manage, to repair water systems, and mobilize revenue from the sale of water for reinvestment. This perhaps can be described as a radical and interesting departure from the past, when the provision, management, and maintenance of boreholes and wells were solely the responsibility of the Ghana Water Company.
The celebration is week-long and includes a number of activities such as health screening and awards to public service institutions and organizations.